Hello, Sawadika. Welcome you all to my presentation. Today we are talking about utilization of natural color extraction on various food. So let's get started on my introduction. This project we are studying about color extraction from natural. That we all know that today in every food we are looking for the appearance, the good appearance of the food, the colors, the taste, and most of that we are using color extraction. And what if we use a color extraction from natural? Today's study we will explain you why the color from natural extraction very important. Let's get started. So the first of article that we are talking about is the making process of color powder from tomatoes ackak, and this color extraction that we use for fermented Thai sausage, or we well known as Nam Mu. So, and how to make the color from tomato and ackak powder. So first of all, the tomato and ackak, you have to wash all of that, and the tomato you can dry and put it in the dry fry tray to make it like a more dry, and then you grind it and blend it until it's like a small powder, and then you can grind. Yes, you can grind out to be a color powder. And for ackak you can do the same thing by blending the ackak into the color powder. So next is the experimental. So after you already get the ackak and tomato color powder, you will put it on Nam Mu. Yeah, we are not Thai sausage or Nam Mu. That we will do two experimental. First experimental is you put the color for 0.2 milliliter and second experiment is you put 0.5 milliliter color powder instead. After you put that, we already finished the study. The result is come out is the customer mostly prefer the Nam Mu that from 0.2 color powder in it, because it's no smell, no taste, and the color doesn't change too much from the Nam Mu. So the customer is decide to go with 0.2 color milliliter in the Nam Mu. And the next research is about how you made the extraction color from the natural. We have three three study method that we can extract the color from natural. First is conventional method, is a traditional method that we mostly know, like you can use the pandan or baiter that you know to boil it, and you can sakat or grind the color from the water. And the second method is bath type. This is like it's more like a scientific. You can use like a usual method of micro component extraction. This extract usually constitute of dual or mantle, and catering a stainless steel with water circularly is like the way you extract it from by like a science, just about science. And the next is like the combination technique. The combination technique is a technique that you can use one whatever technique and another whatever technique to combine it, and they like do this by together. Like you can use the convenient technique and the bath technique together, and you will get the result. So the result conclusion for today, from that I study from the two of research, I know that the way you how to extract the color, that we already have three methods to extract the color, that we use the conventional because it's convenient and easy to find the what they call the stuff that you can use. And another thing that we know from this study is the way that you can
Few moments later.
And the other thing that we know from this study is the proportion of the color powder that we recommend to use in the food or Nam Mu that we already studied. So from this board of study that I can know many things and I can do adaptation to my research. So I'm thank you too much for your for your attention for today. Thank you.